Morning, guys. We're so tired. Oh my god, I look like an idiot.
No, she called me work now on Saturday, but we still work. Need more money. Me and my beautiful wife. Hello everyone! This lady pissed me off.
Hey guys, I look really red, but
you look so beautiful.
We're on our way to get my hair done. My sister's straightener is not working, so I couldn't straighten it myself, and I really want my hair to be straight, so we're going back to the hairdressers to straighten my hair.
Yeah. Hello guys, we're here inside the mall.
I look so weird.
I look so good.
Look at Siosi's, look at Siosi's alfalfa.
Look at my falfa.
Not your falfa.
What?
Alfalfa. Have you guys seen, what's it called?
Alfalfa.
It's called Little Rascals, Little Rascals.
We're here in the shopping to do this lady's hair. She do his hair. She do her hair.
She hair.
Well guys, it's finished.
Hi everyone.
Look at my baby's hair.
So I just finished straightening my hair. Well, actually someone straightened it for me. He is so good. I also want to let you guys know, if you're following us on our social media, specifically Instagram, you will know that I've posted a few photos of my grandmother because she is not well. She's actually really sick. So if you could all do me a favor, for all of you believers, if you could keep her in your prayers, keep her in your prayers, and pray for my my lovely grandmother. I'll tell you this one story, right? Quick story time. I remember when I was in Samoa, like when Siosi and I first got married, and my grandmother was there. We had it in Samoa for her so she could be there. Anyways, so the other story, the actual story is when we got married, Siosi came and stayed with my family for a bit, or like for a year actually. Even when I came back to Australia, Siosi was still there. So I'd sit in the house with the Falekele with my grandma, and my grandma would always, I'm not joking, even while Siosi was there, she will always ask me why I didn't marry a white person. You know, marrying a Samoan brings lots of fatlavelavers, and said you know, Siosi was too skinny. She's like 95 years old. And then she'll always be like, and all this crap. Like, she doesn't even know. She doesn't even know. This is when I was in Samoa. And then when I came back and Siosi remained a bit while we were waiting for visa stuff to come through. And then when I came back to Australia, and then when I came back to Australia, she started saying the same thing to Siosi about me. She started asking Siosi why did he marry me. Saying that I was Coco like Kiki, I left him, I'm cheeky. This grandma of mine, I swear, when I heard that I was like, what the heck? What the heck? She told me, she's like, I'm like, woman, calm down. But it was so funny. She's such a character. I love her so much.
Me cut my hair 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks.
But her do hair for 2 weeks.
This is
2 weeks, 1 week.
I did my hair, you liar. Yeah. So while I'm waiting for Ossie, can you see him? I'm gonna try on some glasses for me because I think I need some. I think these are designer ones. It's called Lanvin. Oh, I like these. A bit small for my face. Hello. Hello. Sios is still getting his hair cut, and I really want to get him some jumpers because I'm sick of seeing him wear the same one. So I'm thinking of getting him a blue one. Just don't know if it's an XL. It's a bit too big. Get him a large. I really couldn't help myself. I had to get Siossi those clothes. Spent over $300 on him today, but it's worth it because I'm sick of seeing him with the same clothes. Like, he has a cupboard full of clothes and always says he has no clothes. Isn't that right?
Nah.
Show them your haircut.
Hi guys, just finished cutting my hair and my beard. Look nice. Hey.
Yep. How cool are these? Whoa, these are really nice. Why are you laughing?
It's alright.
Do you think, honey? Here, try them on. Are these girls or boys?
They're all girls, unfortunately.
I'm not curious.
Just try it on. Oh God, you don't have to. You're so crazy. I know. Det är ju det. Oh my God, yes. This is the one. These are so cool. Men's clothes are so gonga. They're more expensive than girls' clothes, and they don't even have much like accessories and stuff on it like girls do. Like, they got pockets, they got buttons, they got like flowers and stuff, but guys, it's just like straighty 180 and nothing on it. Is it a bit tight? Hey, Gail, hvorfor fussy get it on?
Too tight. It's alright.
No, honey, it's too tight. We'll take it back later. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, because it's a large. You're not a large, you're an XL. Morning, guys, and welcome back to our channel. Another vlog. Before we start, I just want to dedicate this video to my grandmother.
Dedicated to grandma.
And if you're
getting well soon.
Stepped on my foot. And if you're watching this and you're a believer of God, please keep my grandma in your prayers. Oh, we're on our way to church right now, and we've really missed you guys. Thank you so much for staying in tune with us. And we're thinking of changing our upload days to every time we upload. But we've been doing really well with the consistency every Tuesday and Sunday, and sometimes a bonus throughout the week. We've been trying so long to get our challenge out there, which we're gonna do today. We're gonna do it today.
Yeah.
You guys will see it shortly after. It's going to be hilarious.
Yes, guys, you're gonna be see soon. Our new challenge. It's coming soon.
We just finished church like 2 hours ago, and we're on our way to a quieter house so that we can do this challenge that we've been meaning to do for like 3 weeks now. We can finally get it out there.
dedicated to all friends and family, especially our grandmas.
Our grandma, baby.
Yeah. Fuck my boy. Lê anh mà skasi na kem fayong kod fa luoy noy. Kumape oi lo loco. Lê lo foi a casa loco. Ia fusi fusia ia fa maong le upu i ma popo. Ole a o fa fia oi. O que lo se kumo oi. O akinga o que le foi lava po male a o que le primo. Fa malu me yo koko nga fa fusia yo lango nga tete. Tati no atu na o oi lo. Be careful, try to save.
You're so funny and cute. Okay, so we're finally here at the old lady house. And we about to get this challenge poppin'. Hello, Victoria. Hello, Tua.
Yeah?
Just me and Ossie. We came to use Molly's house to do a challenge.
Maybe I should go like this. What's the challenge? Change!
Oh, what the heck? It looks so weird.
Because she gets 3 times, four times.
No, I
Not fair.
didn't.
It's not fair.
What
I
a
want
challenge! Our video. We hope that you subscribe. We hope you enjoyed. Give us a big like on our Give us a big like on this video. We hope we can get 200 likes.
Yeah.
Subscribe and turn on the notification button.
500.
Alright, calm down, sweetheart. Guys, we just did the challenge and Siosi taking the L again.
Nah.
Boo, you're taking the L again?
No, guys.
You're taking the L again? If you're on Team Victoria, then know you're on the winning team because we won, people. We won!
Team Zio, comment and put your thumbs up for me. Comment Team Zio, yay! I won this challenge.
Babe, you know you lost. He knows he lost. He knows he lost. So look out for that video. It should be out soon.
No respect.
What? Show 'em what you got, baby. Go. I see you. Where's my laptop? So girl, don't get ghost now. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Roll tide like blues. That's how I like my baby. Like I like my chicken. Oi, sorry. But the sat ele want to like malo. What did you say? What did you say? He called me by something. What a girl! I'm dancing! This song is dedicated to my haters. If you ain't have no haters, then you ain't popping. Okay? If you ain't have no haters, then you ain't popping. If you ain't have no haters, then you ain't popping.
Why is she farted?
Who's a mulimasa?
It was a little fart. She was just like down.
Huh? What's wrong with me?
Everything.
My name is Victoria, and I'm addicted to vlogging. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Oh, this is a nice room. This room's already done up. Does this bed break? Is it stable? It's pretty stable. It's pretty stable for me. It's so comfy.
Like this, y'all, like this. Oh, like girl. Wait. You know, we had to blow this, we couldn't find the bundle, so we had to blow with our own air in the mouth. Oh yeah, honest to God.
You're such a liar.
We did.
You liar.
We did. Outside. No, we did. There were those 3 beds. We only 3. Sarah, I'll give you a buckle. Yeah, because apparently your air can fill that up. It can, actually. She slept on under.
And who was sleeping in that room?
Well, no, still slept in here with the window open and she was freezing. And she had them on you busy.
Guys, so we just stopped off to get some food for my cousins before we drop them home after they helped my sister clean the house.
Yeah, we're going to eat some food.
What are we eating?
We eat some food from here at Hungry Jack.
And we're eating HJ's. I still haven't edited this vlog, I'm so sorry. So you'll probably see it in like 3 hours time. I'm gonna edit it while we're all eating. So I got my laptop with me. And my cousin, seriously. They got 1 shoe each. She's pissed off I'm recording her. Okay guys, so we're gonna end the vlog today. Thank you so much for coming along with us. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let's get it to over 100 likes. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload.
Stop.
Huh? And stay tuned for Tuesday's video. It's going to be a challenge, but I'm with my cousins and my sister and Aussie right now having a feed. And V's going to do... Yeah, close your eyes. V's going to pick comment of the day. Go. Who did you get?
I don't know her name.
Read it.
Oh, she said, girl, your hair is on fleek. It definitely suits you. Laughing my ass off. Starting at TLC's jokes when you got your hair done.
Who was it?
I don't know how to say her name. Oh, it's Hello Harriet or something.
Woo! Hello Harriet! Shout out to my girl Harriet. If you want to go and check out her channel, you can subscribe to her as well. But we're gonna call it a night. Bye everyone.